Welcome to Curvy Show Official, where we celebrate the inspiring journeys of curvy plus-size models, promoting self-love and body positivity. Today, we explore the vibrant life of Marci Moral, a rising star in the world of plus-size modeling. Marci Moral, a Miami-based model, is making waves with her stunning looks and charismatic personality. At just 19 years old, she has already gained over 1 million followers on Instagram, where she shares her journey of embracing her curves and empowering others to do the same. With her significant social media presence, Marci is a prominent figure in the body positivity movement. Her Instagram handle, @Marci Moral, showcases her daily life, fashion, and advocacy for self-love. She also engages with a close-knit community of 147,000 members, fostering a supportive environment around her message. Marci has collaborated with several notable brands in the fashion and beauty industry, including ASOS, Torrid, and Fashion Nova. Her work with these brands highlights her versatility and appeal as a plus-size model. Marci's natural hourglass figure and confident demeanor have made her a sought-after model for diverse campaigns. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches and weighing around 72 kilograms, with measurements of 44-36-48, Marci embodies the beauty of curves. She regularly shares her workout routines and health tips, proving that plus-size models can be both fit and fabulous. Her style ranges from casual chic to glamorous, always emphasizing her unique sense of fashion. Marci is more than just a model, she is a passionate advocate for body positivity. She uses her platform to challenge unrealistic beauty standards and inspire others to embrace their bodies. Through her posts and collaborations, she spreads a powerful message of self-acceptance and confidence. Thank you for joining us on Curvy Show Official. We hope Marci Moral's story inspires you to embrace your curves and love yourself.